Now I'm wishing I was somewhere in your arms, where you're telling me that you want to stay with me tonight, with my head on your chest and your arms wrapped around me tight in the still of the night, with no words out but your heartbeat. It sounds so good to me that there is no way I'd trade this for any other rhythm. 'Cause you're the music to my system, and I get lost in your dictionary. You remind me that I'm a little crazy, but it's only for you, baby. Now it's your time to save me. When I feel your chest rise and fall, I lose it all to you. Baby, you're my music. When I feel your hand wrapped up in mine, it reminds me that I'm fine. I'm safe and sound with you. You take me to another planet. Sometimes I can't handle it, so I lose my mind. Sometimes it's for the better, but sometimes it's for the worse. But that's how this works. Sometimes it hurts, but that's what we go through for it. Those happy moments we get make all the pain worth it, but it's nothing that we can't get through. 'Cause even when I don't know what to do, I just look at you. And when I feel your chest rise and fall, I lose it all to you. Baby, you're my music. When I feel your hand wrapped up in mine, it reminds me that I'm fine. I'm safe and sound with you. With you.